My name is Jenny and I'm a registered nurse here at Live Natural. NAD is kind of like the fountain of youth. It's what keeps you young on a cellular level. So NAD is something that we have in our bodies naturally already, and when we're young and youthful, we have a lot of it. And as we age, it tapers off. So we offer NAD as a supplement to add more to what we already have. On a cellular level, NAD works by rehydrating and bringing energy into the mitochondria. The mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell. So we give NAD to help restore cellular energy and cellular health, to help the aging process. NAD can help with tons of things. It can help with cognition, memory, sleep-wake cycles, and overall energy, and just that getting that fire back. NAD is a wonder supplement. Honestly, everybody should be taking NAD, all ages.